Alright, ladies and gentlemen, it is the return of the $3 cap from Kmart. Oh yeah. So yeah, funny enough, I was watching some of my old videos from Australia, and I was like, you know what, that plain black cap was kind of a good look. I might have to go back to it. And considering there's Kmarts all over the shop around here and it's only $3, figured I'd splurge out. Also bought a new vest and some new shorts to replace my ones with holes in them. So I've got some nice summer attire for this beautiful sunshine that we're having at the moment. And as we have some beautiful sunshine today, I figured I'd make the most of it, and I spent the morning in the southern town of Invercargill. Clearly put bubble bath in the fountain. That's a classic. Neat. Stopped off in Invercargill, I think that's how you say it, and yeah, stopped off in this Queen's Park place. They got an animal reserve with just a few little animals kind of in some pens, nothing too spectacular, but yeah, it's quite a pretty place actually, and a nice day for it. Figured I'd spend the day here, wander around a little bit. Apparently there's an aviary nearby, so I'm going to go check that out as well. exit is just over here. Say it. Pretty bird. Oh, whoa. Boom. Nice. Pretty bird? No? Were you camera shy? Oh, that's a shame. Whoa. Woohoo. Yeah, rocket. I think I would have to describe that place as quaint. You know, it was quite small, but it was free, and there was quite a bit to do there. Managed to waste 4 hours of the morning just wandering around, taking pictures of all the animals. Yeah, the bloody battery on the camera died, so had to spend an hour charging it up before I could finish off this recording. But anyway, Invercargill, if that's how it's pronounced, Queen's Park, animals, birds, cycled around a bit, good day, nice weather, mint. New hat. I think that's all the important stuff covered.